Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Dola AI when it fails to generate results, a full guide for 2026. If your outputs aren't appearing or you get an error saying failed to generate, these steps will help. First, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. Dola AI needs a reliable network to generate results. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if needed. Next, restart your browser or the Dola AI app. Sometimes the app can glitch temporarily, and a simple restart often fixes it. Then clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted files can prevent results from generating. Go to Browser Settings, Clear Cache, reload Dola AI, and try again. Browser extensions or VPNs can interfere with result generation. Temporarily disable ad blockers, security add-ons, or VPNs, and test Dola AI again. Finally, if it still fails, try a different browser or device. Switching from Chrome to Edge or using another PC or laptop can help determine if the issue is local or account-based. And that's it. These steps usually fix the failed to generate result problem in Dola AI. If it still doesn't work, contact support. They can check account-specific issues. Thanks for watching.